Hello, students. So, today we are continuing the story The Curious Monkey. So, we are continuing the story The Curious Monkey, which we had done last time. Let me show you. I hope you remember this. We had done difficult words of this page, which were attracted, curious, attention, interesting, wedge, father, unaware, prank. So now let us continue the story. So what we read last was a little farther away, a group of woodcutters were laughing and enjoying their meal, unaware of the prank the curious monkey was. Now what was the curious monkey going to do? Let us see. He was about to play a prank. Prank means mischief. They had been cutting up this log of wood all morning and had managed to cut a part of it, but had to take a break for lunch. So, the woodcutters they took a break for lunch. Not wanting the log to close up again, they had placed a wedge in the slit to keep it pressed open. So they had cut a part of wood and they had taken a break for lunch. So, not wanting the log to close up again, they had cut a log of wood, okay, and they had almost cut it and they were tired. So, they wanted to take a break. So, not wanting the log to close up again, they placed a wedge in the slit to keep it pressed open. Slit means cut, in the cut. So, if you cut two things and then in the between, slit means cut. They kept a wedge to keep it pressed open. Pressed open means forcefully. Pressed means forcefully open. This wedge was what the curious monkey began to tug at. To tug at means to look at. He was so curious about that. While the other monkey stepped aside, suddenly the wedge snapped. Snapped means quick, fast. Suddenly the wedge snapped. So the monkey, that means he went till the middle of the log of the wood where the woodcutters had kept the wedge to keep the slit pressed open. He, as he went there and snap, the log of wood shut, trapping the curious monkey's leg. Trapping means to get stuck, trapped, to get entangled. His leg got stuck in, like, suppose you are going outside a room, a classroom or a bedroom or whichever room that has a door, and somebody is trying to close the door and you just put your hand and thud karke you get hurt. While all his friends ran away in fear, the sad little monkey sat there in pain. Now you can imagine the pain when your hand is stuck and somebody just closes the door and your fingers are like, ow, each. And then waiting for the woodcutters to return from their break. But he had no option to return for the woodcutters to come back from their break. So, coming back to the main story, the first part. So the monkey was interested at the wedge and he found something interesting. He was going to play a prank. The other monkey saw what attracted his attention. It was just a log of wood. And then when we read the part 2 of the story, we come to know that his tail, his leg got snapped and the log of wood shut. So now the woodcutters will also have to do the same thing again. But was it their fault? No. It was a lesson for the monkey to learn. What was the lesson for the monkey to learn? That unnecessary interference in others' matters may interfere in the matter of your life. Was there a need for the monkey to go there and do some mischief where the log of wood was kept? There was no need for him. There was no work of him over there. But still he went there. He tried to interfere in that log of wood. He tried to play around over there and he himself got into trouble. His own life was into trouble. So what I want you to do is you read this story properly, go through the story, part 1 and part 2, and I will send you some questions and we will take this passage as an unseen comprehension practice. Go through these words: pristopen, slit, tug at, snapped, trapping, unnecessary, interference, spelling of unnecessary, double N, double S, and I shall see you later.